Hi, I'm here with Tanya Lee. She is our proactive team lead at MIS Solutions. And today we want to talk a little bit about backups. So BDR, backup and disaster recovery, is often lumped together, but they're actually two separate things. Can you tell us what the difference between backups are and disaster recovery?
Yes, backup and disaster recovery are really related. They're very similar, but they are separated by processes.
Hmm.
That basically helps, organizations recover data and systems in the event of an emergency,
Hmm.
disaster, a
Hmm.
natural disaster, and that type of thing. So they're the same thing, but similar.
Okay. Okay. So I guess backups really is you're backing up the systems, but if you're not able to recover from a backup, then what good are the backups, right?
Correct. So let me
Okay.
go into a little bit more detail on what the backups are basically. The deeper explanation on the backups.
Okay.
It's basically the process that will copy data that you're able to restore in case of loss,
Hmm.
accidental deletion, file has been moved. Backups can be stored on either a physical device or up in the cloud. So it basically just ensures your data in whole is protected.
Okay.
Then
So,
on the disaster recovery side, that's when you actually plan. It's a planning process where you plan to do a restore of applications, data, IT resources. If, for example, if a hard drive fails,
mhm.
the disaster recovery, you are testing that a whole hard drive can be recovered. And environments, full environments, if there's a natural disaster and you've lost all your servers,
Mhm.
are we able to do a full recovery of your whole environment? That's
Mhm.
where the disaster recovery is key and crucial.